Good morning, students. Today we will start chapter 6 of maths of class 8th, that is squares and square roots. In this chapter we will learn about squares and square roots. Students, as you know that area of square is equals to side multiply side, where side means the length of a side. Students, now we will observe this table. If side of a square is 1 centimeter, then area of a square will be 1 square. Means 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1, and we can write as 1 square. 1 raised to power 2 we read as 1 square. Next, if side of a square is 2 centimeter, then area of the square will be 2 multiply 2 is equals to 4, and we can write 4 as 2 square. Same, if side of a square is 3 centimeter, then area of the square is 3 multiply 3 is equals to 9, and we can write 9 as 3 square. Same, if side of a square is given as 5 centimeter, then area of the square will be 5 multiply 5 is equals to 25, and students, we can write 25 as 5 square. Same, if a side of the square is given 8, then we find area of square as 64, and we can write 64 as 8 square. So students, you can observe that 4 can be expressed as 2 square and 9 can be expressed as 3 square. All such numbers can be expressed as the product of the number with itself. So students, if a whole number is multiplied by itself, the product is called the square of a number. And in other words, we can say that a natural number is called a perfect square or a square number if it is the product of the number with itself. So 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, so on are known as square numbers. Now we will study about properties of square number. So students, you can see this table. In this table there are the square of numbers from 1 to 20. So students, you have to learn all these square numbers. And when you will observe this table, we will get all these numbers and with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, 8 units place. None of these end with 2, 3, 7 or 8 units place. So we can say that if a number ends with in 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, then it must be a square number. Now I will explain you with an example. Number is 1057. So students, the ending digit is 7. In this number the ending digit is 7, and all square numbers end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. 8 units place, but here is 7. So this given number 1057 is not a perfect square. Next number is 23,453. The ending digit is 3, and as we know that all square numbers end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, 8 unit place. So 23,453 cannot be a perfect square because this number ending digit is 3. So students, like this you can check are the remaining numbers perfect square. Students, these are some important points. You have to write all these points in your maths notebook and you have to remember these points. First is, if a whole number is multiplied by itself, the product is called the square of a number. For example, 1 multiply 1 is equals to 1 square, 2 multiply 2 is equals to 2 square, 3 multiply 3 is equals to 3 square. Next, perfect square. A natural number is called a perfect square or a square number. So students, this is the define of a perfect square number. If it is the product of the number with itself. For example, 5 multiply 5 is equals to 5 square is equals to 25, and 8 multiply 8 is equal to 8 square is equals to 64. Next, every number is not a perfect square, but there are infinite number of perfect squares. Next, if a number has 1 or 9 in its unit place, अगर नंबर के यूनिट प्लेस पर 1 और 9 है, देन इट्स स्क्वायर्स एंड इन 1. तो जो इसका स्क्वायर होगा वो उसके यूनिट प्लेस पर 1 होगा. If a number has 2 or 8 in its unit place, then its square ends in 4. If a number has 3 or 7 in its unit place, then its square ends in 9. If a number has 4 or 6 in its unit place, then its square ends in 6. If a number has 5 in its unit place, then its square ends in 5. Next, if a number has 0 in its unit place, then its square ends in 2 zeros. So students, for example, the number is 10 and the square of 10 is 100. If a number has 0 in its unit place and tens place, then its square ends in 4 0. So students, the example is 100. If number is 100, then square of 100 is 10,000. Next, square of an even number is an even number, while the square of an odd number is an odd number. So students, 2 is an even number and the square of 2 is 4. Same, 4 is an even number and the square of 4 is 16, and 16 is also even number. And 3 is odd number and the square of 3 is 9, and 9 is also odd number. And 7 is odd number and the square of 7 is 49, and 49 is also odd number. So students, this is clear. Square of an even number is an even number and square of an odd number is an odd number. Students, this is the end of today's session. We will solve exercise 6.1 in next video. Thank you.